Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Isaiah Miracle, the Forex trader. Today I'm going to be sharing on how you can go your way through around MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So let's go into this very fast. It's going to be a quick short video. So as you can see, this is my trading account. This is one of my trading accounts, my small trading accounts. And yeah, you could see I took a trade and it was in a loss. This is the news, and this is basically the messages terminal. So before you ask, yes, it's live. But before I can go into that, I think let me just switch to a demo account so that I can't mess up my trades there. So yeah. Hi guys, so I thought I just show you from scratch on how to actually open a demo account rather than just showing you a way through. So we are going with here, and you search for the broker you have registered with. For this case, in different strategies. So let's just allow this to set up. So when you've just opened up a new demo account or even a new live account, the broker gives you a large number of instruments. Some you may actually be using them, some others you may actually not even need them. So basically we are going to really fast customize this setup to what we actually trade, which is for my case indices and commodities. So you press here and you want to you use the dustbin icon and you choose out what you want to delete out. Yeah, let's go with that. Then as you can see, I've left the Nasdaq there on NASA 100. So the other instrument I trade is actually a metal, and it is gold, represented as XAU, USD or USD. So those are the two instruments I concentrate on. I would add on others, but I feel there's no need for that right now, as I'm just showing you with a demo account. So we open the charts, and with the charts here you can find a crosshair in case you want to probably read, you want to calculate pips, or you want to read the exact number at which you want to maybe place your stop loss or your limit orders, your buy orders. Then with the F or the italic F, this is where you find your indicators, all types of indicators that come with the MetaTrader 4, because there's some indicators that again specifically on TradingView, and those were customized by people, and then there are also some where you may have gotten them as a person made them for themselves, so you'll have to add those via computer. Then for this, as you can see, it brings out the instruments you have specifically chosen to use, and you can switch between instruments. As here you can say I can choose gold, then I can choose back to the Nasdaq. This represents the different time frames you can trade from. So you could trade from the 1 minute, you could trade from the 5 minute, you could trade from the 15 minute, you could trade from the 1 hour, as far as the monthly, depending on your strategy and how you approach the markets. So with this, I'm going to just show you different styles of executions in this market. So with executing in the MetaTrader 4, it has different types of orders you can take, and these are usually the limit orders, the stop orders, and then market execution. Market execution is basically an instant application or instant buying or selling in the market. Buy limits is where you specify what specific levels you want to take up. So as I was saying, with the market execution, this is instant buying or instant selling. And then with limit orders, as you can see, with limit orders, you set particular levels on which you want either the market to pick your order from, and then you're activated. And it's a similar thing with buy stop orders, where the market reaches you depending on what level you placed, and then you execute. So could I show you at least a bit of execution here? So I'm going to try to enter a trade here, and you see an example of market execution with entering. So I'm going to go for a sell. I've not made clear analysis, but yeah. So whatever comes out of this is basically what would take. So for a scalper, usually they would go in and then probably they're already out, depending on what the market is giving them. So I think I can just take that for now. I hate to take losses. So anyway, this was basically to only just show you how execution with this is. So the arrow with a trident at the end of it, that looks like a trident at the end of it, basically gives you an overall of either if you have running or floating trades, limit orders waiting, or buy orders waiting, or even when you're in trades, whether profitable or in negatives, you'll find them floating here as you just saw back. That's for the trident, or the trident looking arrow. This thing that later looks like an envelope, as you can see, gives you the history of what you have taken. And here we could see we executed NASA 100 with a sell of 0.04 lot size, and we got $26 and 52 cents as our profit for the day. That was our deposit of $3,000, and our account balance now ranging on $3,026 and 36 cents. We go further to the icon that looks like a news article. As you can see, it actually represents the news itself. That's if you have signed into the MetaQuartz 5 account, made an account with them, and they will actually send you news articles here, but I prefer to use my beta sources. This again gives you the messages. So in case you are having a margin call, your account is about to blow, you have made profits, your take profit has been hit, your stop loss has been hit, and you are probably using a VPS, or you are executing on your computer, but you have connected your mobile phone to the computer, and the two accounts have been synced together. You'll find your orders being also sent here, or maybe you're even using a bot to trade for you, automated trading. You'll also see the alerts here coming through. Now, something I can mention about the charts is you could use, as you can see, you can use the auto rotate button for your mobile phone, and you could actually switch to a larger screen. And this is actually very effective because it will help you see the market at a better view, since we are concentrating on using mobile phones here. So you can see the market at a better view, and you can execute better depending on what your strategy runs with. Yeah. So here you could even enter a buy in case you needed, and it gives you really more room to do a lot of stuff. Yeah. So thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is Miracle Capital. Let's get profitable together. More videos coming through. I post on a weekly basis. I'll be posting daily as time is coming through, as I get more free. Thank you for supporting me. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's go together.